Hey there, this is Kai from Nova. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of converting your WMT tokens into the upgraded multi-chain WMTx using the official World Mobile Migration Portal. First, I would like to kindly ask you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment, or consider delegating your ADA to our stake pool Nova, or to our soon-to-be operational Nova Earth nodes. When operating in the crypto space and transacting with dApps, it's crucial to be very careful and double-check everything. So make sure you're using the official World Mobile Migration Portal link. Currently, the World Mobile Migration Portal works best on desktop computers and relies on the Eternal Wallet. Once you have your Eternal Wallet prepared with your WMT tokens, connect it to the portal and grant it access. The portal will automatically select the same Cardano address from your wallet as your receiving address, and it will display your total WMT token balance. Remember to have some ADA in your wallet as well, as it's needed to pay transaction fees. When confirming the upgrade, you'll be prompted to sign the transaction. At that point, you'll need to enter your spending password or confirm using your hardware device. If you look closely, you'll see that you're sending out your WMT tokens and minting WMTx all in a single transaction. That, my dear friend, is the magic of the EUTXO-based Cardano blockchain. The upgrading process on Cardano will take roughly as long as any standard transaction on the network, depending on chain load. Typically, this ranges from a few seconds to a minute. You can view the transaction in your wallet history or on Cardano Scan, a Cardano blockchain explorer. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your WMT tokens to WMTx. It's a fast, straightforward, and secure process that keeps you up to date with the latest developments in the world mobile ecosystem. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe for more Cardano-related tutorials, consider delegating your ADA to Nova, or watch out for our upcoming Nova Earth nodes. If this video has added value to you and you would like to stake too, feel free to come on board. Follow us on X for the latest news about World Mobile and our Earth nodes. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord server.